When you call Precision Garage Door, who shows up at your home matters. Because we believe we're only as good as the technicians we send to your door. Every Precision technician is personally hired, trained, and certified. Not just to fix garage doors, but to uphold the values that we're built on. Professionalism, dependability, and trust. So how do we prepare our technicians before they ever take a call? Right here in our state-of-the-art training facility. It's equipped with every type of garage door and opener you'll find in homes across your community. Here, our techs gain full field experience, learning, testing, and mastering the work they'll soon perform in your home.
By the time we have arrived at your door, we have already worked on every major brand of garage door opener. And because we carry precision openers on our trucks, we can often replace your opener on the same visit. So your door is back open and running in no time.
And when it's time to replace your door altogether, Precision Garage Door makes it simple and stress-free. Investing in a new garage door is one of the smartest decisions you can make for your home. It adds security, efficiency, and curb appeal. And we're here to help you every step of the way. Our process begins with a free in-home consultation and estimate. Our knowledgeable team helps you explore options that fit your home style and your budget. And with flexible financing options for qualified customers, upgrading your garage door has never been easier. Our technicians handle every detail. We're here long after the installation to keep your door operating smoothly for years to come. Choose from a variety of styles to match your home. Whatever your vision, we'll help bring it to life. When you choose Precision Garage Door Service, you're not just choosing a company. You're choosing a team of experts trained to do the job right, efficiently, and on time. We are our technicians, and that's why you can be confident in every repair, every replacement, every visit. We're here to keep your door and your home working with precision. Fast, friendly, professional. That's Precision Garage Door Service.